What's it doing?
I'm trying to stop it.
What is that, Blaine?
It's a dinosaur.
Oh.
This house is the light. The lock. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one makes it walk.
It makes it walk?
And this one makes it...
Oh, does your dinosaur have a name?
Look at this.
What's it doing?
And this one makes it walk.
Okay, make it walk. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
Stop it.
Oh, I see that.
Scary.
Does your dinosaur have a name?
Big teeth.
Yeah, do they bite you?
No, it doesn't. I have to stand back. Listen, this dinosaur might bite me.
Oh, are you scared of it?
Yeah, I am.
What's your dinosaur's name? I'm a mean dinosaur. No, what's his name?
He has long nails.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Chili gave it to me.
Yeah. Why'd she give that to you?
Because I wanted another dinosaur.
You just wanted one? You don't have enough toys?
I don't.
Okay. Never have enough toys, right?
I'm trying to fix this one.
Okay. I'm going to go eat supper now. Say goodbye.